Today I'm going to go through some of the herbal properties of this teak tree, the common teak. In Ayurvedic medicine, it is extensively used for because it is versatile and in so many preparations they use it, parts of it. And these teak trees, they are quite famous in India and many of the tropical countries because of the hard wood. It's very fine grade, hard wood with a nice grain and all. And most important, it is termite proof. So these termites take long time to nibble into it. And it's not that well known by youngsters today, nature lovers, that India had some very large 1000 or 800, 500-year-old trees, hundreds of years old. And when we were under the colonial rule of these British people, they systematically harvested all the teak of this country to build their mansions and ships and railways and all that. And I think by around within some 50 or 60 years of British rule, they finished all the teak forests and then started this forest department, and then started using that cut clear area of forest to grow these teak plantations. And we see them here also, even now some of them are there. In Kerala, Neelambur Valley is one of the famous valley in Kerala where the oldest teak trees are there, 500-year-old teak trees and all. So that's a bit about the history of this teak, and it is not endangered or anything because of its commercial uses. Lot of them have been planted all over the country, and even smaller farmers and all have a few teak trees in the backyard, I mean the edges of the property, and in houses also they plant one or two because it's very valuable. And it has large green leaves that are excellent in capturing this carbon. So in a little degraded lands and all, if it is planted, as it grows, it will generate tons and tons of dry leaves, which becomes excellent mulch. This is all teak leaves I have used to mulch this bilwa, eagle marmalose. Now coming to the Ayurvedic properties of this teak, in Sanskrit it's called sagwan, sagwan or sagav, and the whole plant is herbal. In fact, most people don't know about this enormous herbal properties of this tree. They think it's just furniture, wood, and making doors and beams. So the roots are used for anuria, or when the complete cessation of secretion of urine and excretion of urine happens, then this in Ayurvedic medicine they use this roots. So that's a very strong and painful, dangerous condition, not urinating. So apparently that roots have some chemicals that activate that urinary process. Then bark is astringent, acrid, sweet. It has three tastes. And then cooling, constipating, anti-worm. For worm infections and all, they mix it with other herbs and give this teak bark. And then it's also a kind of a purifier of the blood and all. And it's used in this bark is used in bronchitis, hyperacidity, those preparations which are made for these diseases. This comes as an ingredient. That is bronchitis, hyperacidity, and then high vitiated condition of pitta, burning sensation and all, and loose motion, that is diarrhea. All these cooling herbs are they also tighten the stools and all and reduce this diarrhea. This one also, and apart from that, worm infestations, burning sensation in the body, diabetes, and even leprosy. Those are the uses in Ayurveda for this bark of this teak. And then the leaves also are herbal. Leaves are cooling and blood purifier, anti-inflammatory, and useful in inflammation, skin diseases, ulcers, hemorrhages, blood, heated up blood, that, and then vitiated pitta. For all these, this teak leaves are used. Then fruit also is used. The seed were kind of small, not exactly a fruit, but some little seed in a capsule it produces. That fruit is diuretic. And then flowers also are used. Flowers are taste is acrid and bitter, the flowers, and it is used in vitiated pitta and kapha, and for burning sensations, skin diseases, diabetes, and all kind of stomach ailments also it is used. So as you can see, it has a long list of uses, and since it is available in plenty, these Ayurvedic companies should seriously think of making use of its medicinal properties. That's my suggestion.